A famous author wrote the book.
A famous author wrote the book.
He repaired the car by changing the broken part.
He repaired the car by changing the broken part.
They went out to dinner for their anniversary.
They went out to dinner for their anniversary.
A skilled artist made the painting.
A skilled artist made the painting.
They canceled the party because of bad weather.
They canceled the party because of bad weather.
A construction company built the house.
A construction company built the house.
He became popular by singing on YouTube.
He became popular by singing on YouTube.
I will give your money back next week.
I will give your money back next week.
She got better at English by practicing daily.
She got better at English by practicing daily.
The cake needs to be baked for half an hour.
The cake needs to be baked for half an hour.
The museum welcomes visitors.
The museum welcomes visitors.
We walked a long distance to reach the top.
We walked a long distance to reach the top.
They went to Europe for their honeymoon.
They went to Europe for their honeymoon.
He kept practicing piano until he could play the song perfectly.
He kept practicing piano until he could play the song perfectly.
I won't stop until I am successful.
I won't stop until I am successful.
The restaurant serves breakfast till 10 a.m.
The restaurant serves breakfast till 10 a.m.
The kids played outside until it became dark.
The kids played outside until it became dark.
She painted a pretty picture using watercolors.
She painted a pretty picture using watercolors.
He proposed to his girlfriend with a ring.
He proposed to his girlfriend with a ring.
They welcomed the new year with fireworks.
They welcomed the new year with fireworks.